right, 2733 left. Advise on initial contact, you have information X-ray period. Logan Airport information X-ray period. 2349 Zulu. Wind 115 at 3. Visibility 10. Scatter at 3,700. Ceiling 14,000 broken. 25000 broken. Temperature 06. Dew point -01. Altimeter 3019. VFR conditions. Landing runways 2733 left. Departing runway 04 right, 2733 left. Advise on initial contact, you have information X-ray period.
American 514, ready for IFR clearance to Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport.
American 514, Boston clearance, clear to Ronald Reagan Washington National. SOC 7 departure, then as filed. Climb via SID. Departure frequency 133.0. Squawk 3526.
Cleared to Ronald Reagan Washington National, SOC 7 departure, then as filed. Climb via SID. Departure frequency 133.0. Squawk 3526. American 514.
American 514, read back correct. Contact ground 121.75 when ready for pushback or engine start.
We'll contact ground 121.75 when ready for pushback or engine start. American 514, have a good afternoon. Thanks.
You're welcome. Delta for 98, cross runway 27 at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie.
Cross runway 27 at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie, Delta 498.
TCAS test. Pass.
Delta 498, contact Boston Tower 128.8. See you.
Contact Tower 128.8, Delta 498. Have a good one.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your carry-on items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Small, lightweight items may be placed in the seat pocket. If you need assistance, please let us know.
American 514, Gate Bravo 23, request pushback.
American 514, Boston ground, pushback and engine start approved. Face north.
Pushback and engine start approved. Face north, American 514.
Cockpit to ground.
This is ground. Stand by. Okay, sir. The bypass pin is installed. All doors and hatches closed and all ground equipment is removed.
The parking brakes are set. You may lift.
Parking brake set. Lifting the aircraft.
We are cleared for start and push.
Okay, cleared for push start. Please release parking brake.
Parking brakes are released.
Commencing pushback. You can start the engines in sequence.
It will start in the sequence.
All aircraft be advised, information Yankee now current. Altimeter 3020.
Welcome aboard American Airlines
Brickyard
Flight
5769 at Gate Alpha 6. Request pushback and engine start.
Message about aircraft. Your attention, please.
Brickyard 5769,
Welcome to your
Boston
American
ground,
Airlines
pushback
flight.
approved, face southeast.
On its way to one of more than
Pushback
350
approved. Face
destinations.
southeast. Brickyard
In
5769.
countries across the globe, Made possible by our more than 130,000 dedicated team members.
Who all do it for one reason. That's why your safety is so important to us. So let's go over some in-flight instructions so that we can get you safely on your way. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle.
JetBlue
and pull the
722,
strap to
gate
tighten.
Bravo 30 taxi
open,
via Tango,
lift the top
Mike,
of the buckle.
hold short runway 33 left.
If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is
Gate
also
Bravo
equipped
30
with a shoulder
via Tango,
belt,
Mike,
fasten the
hold
belt
short
by
runway
attaching it
33
to the
left,
buckle
JetBlue
until you hear a
722.
click. If you're seated in the premium cabin and your seat is
Brickyard
equipped with a push button,
4388.
insert the
Gate
metal
Bravo
end into the
10.
buckle and pull the
Request
strap to
pushback.
tighten. Then, fasten your shoulder belt by attaching it to the buckle until you hear
Brickyard
a click.
4388, Boston
To
ground
open,
pushback
simply press
approved,
on the
face
button. The
southwest.
shoulder belt must be worn during taxi,
Pushback and
takeoff,
engine start
landing.
approved. Face
And remember,
southwest, Brickyard
seatbelts should be
4388.
fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. Now, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away, carry-ons are placed all the way under the seat in front of you, and your tray table is stowed. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have a handheld device, please switch it to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance.
Parking brake set.
U.S. law prohibits
Parking
smoking,
brake set.
including
Lowering
e-cigarettes at
aircraft.
any time.
5769,
Tampering with,
request taxi.
disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratories may
Ground,
result in
you
a
may
fine.
disconnect.
U.S.
Brickyard
law requires all
5769, runway
passengers
33
on
left,
close
taxi
inside
via
and
Kilo
remember
Bravo
to
Charlie, hold
Now
short
let's
runway
remove the
for
safety
left.
card in your seat pocket,
Holding
which
position
explains the
waiting
safety
for the
features
visual.
of the
Thank you
vehicle,
and
taxi
goodbye.
via Kilo
including the
Bravo
location
Charlie,
and
hold
operation
short
of
runway
exits
for
and
left,
flotation
Brickyard
of exits.
5769.
This aircraft is designed with escape path lighting on or near the floor. In the
Brickyard
unlikely event of an
4282,
evacuation,
gate
leave
Bravo
all
29er
carry-ons
taxi
behind
via
and follow
Tango,
the lights
Mike,
quickly
hold
and
short
safely to
runway
your
33
exit.
left.
A sign will indicate you have reached your exit.
Gate
All
Bravo
exits on this
29er via
airplane are
Tango,
clearly
Mike.
marked.
Hold short
Take a moment
runway
to locate
33
the
left,
nearest one.
Brickyard
Keep in mind, it may
4282.
be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the
Brickyard
unlikely event of
5719
an
at Gate Alpha
emergency.
7,
In a water
request pushback.
evacuation, slides may be used as life rafts. You'll find the
Brickyard
exact location on your
5719,
safety
Boston
card.
ground, pushback
When
approved,
directed
face
to exit,
southeast.
jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane.
Pushback and engine start
If the
approved,
cabin loses
face
pressure,
southeast, Brickyard
oxygen masks will drop
5719.
automatically. While remaining seated with your seatbelt fastened,
Brickyard
hold down on the
4388,
mask or
request
the red
taxi to
tube
the
to start
active.
the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over
American
your nose and
514,
mouth, and
ready
put
to
the
taxi
elastic
to the
band
active.
over your head. Then pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally.
Brickyard
Remember to always
4388,
put your own
runway
mask on
33 left,
before
taxi
helping
via
others.
Echo, Alpha, Charlie, hold short runway
Life
for left.
vests are located under,
Runway
next to,
33
or
left,
between your
via
seats.
Echo, Alpha
For help
Charlie.
locating them,
Hold
see
short
your
runway
safety
4
card.
left,
To
Brickyard
remove the vest,
4388.
pull the tab or compartment handle to break the seal. Remove the vest
American
from the package
514,
like
runway
this.
33 left, taxi via
Put the
Alpha
vest over
Charlie,
your head,
hold short
wrap
runway
the
for
strap
left.
around your waist. Attach the
Runway
buckle
33
and
left
pull
via
tight.
Alpha, Charlie.
Once
Hold
outside,
short runway
pull the
4
tab
left,
to inflate
American
your vest
514.
Or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically
Air Canada
If
771,
necessary,
gate Bravo
an
3,
infant
request
life vest
pushback
will
and
be
engine start.
distributed by a crew member. The safety card shows how to use it.
It's our honor
Air
to care
Canada
for you on your
771,
journey.
Boston ground,
If you have
pushback
any
approved,
questions,
face
please
west.
refer to the safety card or feel free to ask any of the cabin crew as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your journey more enjoyable.
United 688, gate Charlie 31 taxi via
American
Tango Mike,
Airlines.
hold short
Fly
runway 33
so you
left.
can soar.
Over to gate Charlie Tree 1 taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway tree left, United 688.
Brickyard 5719, request taxi to Charlie, hold short runway 4 left, Brickyard 5719.
Brickyard 5769, cross runway for left at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie, hold short runway for right. Cross 4 left at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway for right. Brickyard 5769. Virgin 11 Bravo Heavy, gate Charlie 20 taxi via Tango. Mike, hold short runway 33 left.
Gate Charlie 20 taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway 33 left, Virgin 11, Bravo Heavy.
Air Canada 771, taxi for departure.
American 514, cross runway for left at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway for right.
Cross for left at Charlie, continue via Charlie. Hold short runway for right, American 514.
Air Canada 771, runway 33 left, taxi via Echo Alpha, Charlie. Hold short runway for left.
Runway 33 left via Echo Alpha, Charlie. Hold short runway for left, Air Canada 771.
Brickyard 5769, cross runway for right at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway 27.
Cross for right at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 27. Brickyard 5769.
Brickyard 43, cross runway for left at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway for right.
Cross 4 left at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 4 right. Brickyard 4388.
Brickyard 5633 at Gate Alpha 5. Request pushback and engine start.
American 514, cross runway 4 right at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway 27.
Cross for right at Charlie, continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 27, American 514.
Spirit Wings 103, Gate Charlie 36, taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway 33 left.
Gate Charlie 36 taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway 33 left, Spirit Wings 10
Brickyard 5719, cross runway 4 left at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway 4 right.
Cross 4 left at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 4 right. Brickyard 5719.
Brickyard 5769, cross runway 27 at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Brickyard 5769.
Brickyard 4388, cross runway for right at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway 27.
Cross 4 right at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 27. Brickyard 4388.
Brickyard 5633, Boston ground, pushback and engine start approved. Face southeast.
Pushback approved. Face southeast. Brickyard 5633.
Brickyard 5612, Gate Bravo 39er taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway 33 left.
Gate Bravo Tree 9er taxi via Tango, Mike. Hold short runway 33 left, Brickyard 5612.
Brickyard 5769, contact Boston Tower 128.8. Have a good one.
Over to Tower 128.8, Brickyard 5769, have a good one.
American 514, cross runway 27 at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie, continue via Charlie, American 514.
Brickyard 5719, cross runway for right at Charlie. Continue taxi via Charlie. Hold short runway 27.
Cross 4 right at Charlie. Continue via Charlie. Hold short runway 27. Brickyard 5719.
American 514, contact Boston Tower 128.8.
Over to Tower 128.8, American 514. Have a good afternoon. American 514, ready for departure, runway 33 left.
American 514, number 2 for departure. Hold short of tree left.
Wilco, hold short of 33 left for traffic, American 514.
Boston Tower 178,
59, runway tree left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait. Runway tree left. Brickyard 5769.
Brickyard 5635, exit left at November.
Exit left at November, Brickyard 5635.
Boston Tower, JetBlue 1232, visual runway tree left.
JetBlue 1232, Boston Tower, continue.
Wilco JetBlue 1232.
Traffic 6 mile final, no delay.
Fly heading 240, runway tree left, cleared for takeoff, no delay, Brickyard 5769.
Southwest 786, wind calm, runway tree left, cleared to land.
Runway tree left, cleared to land, Southwest 786.
Brickyard 5769, contact Boston departure, take care.
Contact Boston departure, Brickyard 5769.
Southwest 786, exit left at Tango.
Exit left at Tango, Southwest 786.
Boston Tower, Spirit Wings 1143, visual runway 33 left.
Spirit Wings 1143, Boston Tower, continue.
Wilco Spirit Wings 1143.
JetBlue 1232, wind calm, runway tree left, cleared to land.
Runway tree left, cleared to land, JetBlue 1232. Boston Tower, Brickyard 5767, visual runway 33 left.
Brickyard 5767, Boston Tower, continue.
Wilco, Brickyard 5767.
JetBlue 1232, exit left at Tango.
Exit left at Tango, JetBlue 1232.
Boston Tower, American 2140, visual runway tree left.
Spirit Wings 1143, wind calm, runway tree left clear to land.
Runway 33 left, clear to land. Spirit Wings 1143.
American 2140, Boston Tower, continue.
Roger, American 2140.
Spirit Wings 1143, exit left at Tango.
Exit left at Tango, Spirit Wings 1143.
Brickyard 5767, wind calm, runway 33 left clear to land.
Runway 33 left, clear to land. Brickyard 5767.
Boston Tower, Brickyard 5816, visual runway 33 left. Brickyard 5816, Boston Tower, continue. Code Brickyard 5816. Brickyard 5767, exit left at Tango.
Exit left at Tango, Brickyard 5767.
Delta 224 Heavy, holding short, runway 4 right.
Delta 224 Heavy, Boston Tower, wind calm, RNAV to dawn. Runway 4 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 4 right, RNAV to the end, cleared for takeoff, Delta 224 Heavy.
Brickyard 5767, monitor ground 121.75.
Ground 121.75, Brickyard 5767.
American 2140, wind calm, runway tree left clear to land.
Runway tree left clear to land, American 2140.
Boston Tower, JetBlue 373, visual runway tree left.
JetBlue 373, Boston Tower, continue.
Wilco, JetBlue 373.
American 2140, exit left at Tango.
Exit left at Tango, American 2140.
Boston Tower, JetBlue 215, visual runway tree left.
JetBlue 215, Boston Tower, continue.
Wilco, JetBlue 215.
American 2140, monitor ground 121.75.
Ground 121.75, American 2140.
American 514, immediately Please stop your takeoff roll. You do not have takeoff clearance.
Roger that. American 514.
V1, rotate.
Delta 224 Heavy, contact Boston departure.
Contact Boston departure, Delta 224 Heavy. Have a good one.
Great.
American 514, contact Boston departure.
Contact Boston departure, American 514. Boston departure, American 514, 1300.
American 514, Boston departure, radar contact, climb, maintain 16,000 feet.
Climb, maintain 16,000 feet, American 514.
And we do thank you for your attention. Once we have reached a safe and comfortable cruising altitude, your flight attendants will be throughout the cabin to offer you beverages of your choice, followed by our international flagship meal service. During the course of our flight, snacks and beverages will be available. If at any given point you wish to sleep undisturbed, we do ask that you kindly display all fastened seatbelts on the outside of all garments or blankets, so as your crew does do brief and safety checks. In failure to seat yourself will result in having to awaken you for compliance. We thank you in advance for your cooperation.
Center on 133.325, American 514. Boston Center, American 514. Good afternoon through 13,400 for 16,000 feet.
American 514, Boston Center. Climb and maintain flight level 320.
Climb and maintain flight level 320, American 514. Contact Boston Center 124.85, American 514. Boston Center, American 514, passing 1 for 14,900 for flight level 320.
American 514, Boston Center, good afternoon. Delta 106 Heavy, contact Boston Center 133.325.
Center on 133.325, Delta 106 Heavy.
Good afternoon, Boston Center, UPS 2206 Heavy, descending via North 7, flight level 261.
UPS 2206 Heavy, Boston Center, roger.
Contact Boston Center 128.75, American 514. Boston Center, American 514. Good afternoon, climbing flight level 203 for flight level 320.
American 514, Boston Center.
31 right, airport to go 209 kilo.
Boston Center, JetBlue 1062, good afternoon, flight level 334. JetBlue 1062, Boston Center, good afternoon, radar contact, continue climb to flight level 340. Continue climb to flight level 340, JetBlue 1062.
2 for 85, Delta 300.
Contact Boston Center 132.3, American 514. Boston Center, American 514. Good afternoon, flight level 320.
American 514, Boston Center, roger. Avianca 222, contact Boston Center 128.1. See you.
Contact Boston Center 128.1, Avianca 222, bye-bye.
Center on 121.125, American 514. New York Center, American 514. Good afternoon, flight level 320.
American 514, New York Center. Good afternoon. Frontier Flight 3937, after Deer Park, cleared via Deer Park Tree. Pilot's discretion descent.
Center on 118.9 or 75, American 514. New York Center, American 514, good afternoon, flight level 320.
American 514, New York Center. JetBlue 2052, contact New York Center 121.125. Center on 121.125, JetBlue 2052. American 2556, contact New York Center 121.125. Have a good afternoon.
Contact New York Center 121.125. American 2556, see you.
Delta 2546, contact New York Center 128.3. Have a good one.
Center on 128.3, Delta 2546.
American 514, contact New York Center 128.3.
Contact New York Center 128.3, American 514. New York Center, American 514, flight level 320.
American 514, New York Center. Good evening, Ed. Washington Center 124.775.
Contact Washington Center 124.775, American 514, take care. Washington Center, American 514, flight level 320.
American 514, Washington Center, good evening. Avalon 492, Washington Center, expect visual approach runway 2.
Expect visual approach, runway 2, Avalon 492.
American 514, Washington Center, expect deal tree, runway 19.
Expect deal tree, runway 19er, American 514.
Delta 2546, contact Washington Center 125.45.
Contact Washington Center 125.45, Delta 2546.
Descend via deal tree arrival, Ronald Reagan, Washington National landing, runway 19er, altimeter 3016.
Descend via deal tree arrival, Ronald Reagan, Washington National landing, runway 19er, altimeter 3016, American 514. Center on 125.45, American 514. Washington Center, American 514, descending via Deal Tree, flight level 320.
American 514, Washington Center. Endeavor 5219, contact Washington Center 124.775. Center on 124.775, Endeavor 5219. Washington Center, Delta 1899, flight level 300. Delta 1899, Washington Center, roger. American 514, contact Washington Center 127.7.
Center on 127.7, American 514, see you. Washington Center, American 514, descending via Deal Tree, flight level 313.
American 514, Washington Center. American 514, contact Washington Center 3205.
Contact Washington Center 3205, American 514. Good evening, Washington Center, American 514, descending via Deal Tree, flight level 274.
American 514, Washington Center.
877, flight level 197.
Spirit Wings 877, Washington Center, radar contact, continue climb to flight level 380.
Continue climb to flight level 380, Spirit Wings 877.
American 514, contact Washington Center 132.55.
Contact Washington Center 132.55, American 514. Washington Center, American 514, descending via Deal Tree, flight level 186.
American 514, Washington Center. JetBlue 495, contact Washington Center 123.85. Contact Washington Center 123.85, JetBlue 495. Spirit Wings 1810, Washington Center, expect Jims 4, runway 27 right.
Expect Jims 4, runway 27 right, Spirit Wings 1810.
November 138, Uniform Delta, Washington Center, expect radar vectors, runway 5.
Expect radar vectors. Runway 5, November 138, Uniform Delta.
November 140, Uniform Delta, Washington Center. I have a traffic management reroute for you. Advise ready to copy.
Roger, ready to copy. November 140, Uniform Delta.
November 140, Uniform Delta. Expect radar vectors, runway 5.
Expect radar vectors. Runway 5, November 140, Uniform Delta.
JetBlue Tree 8, contact Poto, MIC approach 12 for .55.
Contact Potomac approach, JetBlue 38.
Brickyard 5621, contact Washington Center 123.85. Contact Washington Center 123.85, Brickyard 5621.
Washington Center, Blue Streak 5449, descending via Caps Tree, 1616,300.
Spirit Wings 1810, descend and maintain 17,000 feet. Altimeter tree 019er.
Descend and maintain 17,000 feet. Altimeter 3019er. Spirit Wings 1810.
Blue Streak 5449, Washington Center, radar contact. Endeavor 4820, contact Washington Center 120.65.
Center on 120.65, Endeavor 4820, see you.
Washington Center, Spirit Wings 298, good evening, flight level 330. Spirit Wings 298, Washington Center. American 1927, contact Washington Center 120.65.
Center on 120.65, American 1927, see you.
Washington Center, JetBlue 3B Delta, flight level 330. JetBlue 3B Delta, Washington Center, radar contact. Endeavor 5047, contact Washington Center 133.9er. Center on 133.9er, Endeavor 5047. Washington Center, Moxie 583, flight level 360. Moxie 583, Washington Center, copy. Spirit Wings 3529, contact Washington Center 123.85.
Contact Washington Center 123.85, Spirit Wings 3529. Have a good evening.
Washington Center, American 667, descending via Caps Tree, 1 tree 13,600.
American 667, Washington Center, roger. American 1864, contact Washington Center 123.85, take care.
Center on 123.85, American 1864, take care.
Southwest 1583, contact Baltimore approach 122.905.
Contact Baltimore approach, Southwest 1583.
Washington Center, Spirit Wings 877, flight level 286. Spirit Wings 877, Washington Center, roger. Blue Street 5449, contact Potomac approach 124.55.
Contact
To prepare for landing,
Blue Street
please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original
American
upright
514,
position.
contact Potomac approach
We will now collect any items you wish to
124.55, take
discard.
care.
Please put away
Contact
larger
Potomac
electronic
approach,
devices,
American 514,
including
have a good
laptop
one.
computers.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
Potomac approach, American
For smaller
514,
10,000
10,200 with the
or
numbers.
seat pocket. Devices must remain in airplane
American
mode until
514,
after we land.
Potomac approach.
We will be
Good
landing
evening,
soon.
altimeter. 3016, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu. Runway 19er.
Altimeter 3016, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 514.
American 527, contact Washington Tower 119.1. Contact Tower 119.1, American 527. American 1463, descend, maintain 4,000. Descend, maintain 4,000, American 1463. Potomac approach, American 667, 10,800, we have Sierra on board. American 1463, turn right, heading 030, descend and maintain 3,000. Turn right, heading 030, descend and maintain 3,000, American 1463. American 667 Potomac approach, altimeter 3016, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er. Altimeter 3016, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 667. JetBlue 38, lead BAM heading 315. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er. Lead BAM heading 315, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er. JetBlue 38. JetBlue 38, turn left, heading 315, vectors for the approach. Turn left, heading 315, JetBlue 38. JetBlue 38, descend, maintain 5,000. Descend, maintain 5,000, JetBlue 38. Fergie heading 135. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Lead Fergie heading 135. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er. United 1836.
American 1463, 3 miles from Derrick. Turn right, heading 105. Maintain 2,700 feet until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Turn right, heading 105, 2,700 feet until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 1463.
American 514. Leave Thane heading 325. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Leave Thane heading 325. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 514.
American 514. Fly present heading. Descend maintain 2,700 feet. Vectors for the approach.
Fly present heading, descend, maintain 2,700 feet, American 514.
United 1836, turn right, heading 135, vectors for the approach.
Turn right, heading 135, United 1836.
United 1836, 2 miles from Derrick, turn right, heading 140, maintain 2,700 until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Turn right, heading 140, 2,700 until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er, United 1836.
JetBlue 38, turn right, heading 040, descend maintain 3,000. Turn right, heading 040, descend maintain 3,000, JetBlue 38. American 1463, contact Washington Tower 119.1.
Contact Tower 119.1, American 1463, have a good one.
United 1836, contact Washington Tower 119.1. See you.
Over to Tower 119.1, United 1836.
Blue Streak 5449, lead BAM heading 315, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Lead BAM heading 315, expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu. Runway 19er, Blue Streak 5449.
JetBlue 38, 3 miles from Derrick, turn right, heading 105. Maintain 2,700 feet until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er. Turn right, heading 105, 2,700 feet until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er, JetBlue 38. Blue Streak 5449, fly present heading. Descend and maintain 5,000, vectors for the approach.
Fly present heading, descend and maintain 5,000, Blue Streak 5449.
American 514, turn left, heading 265.
Turn left, heading 265, American 514.
JetBlue 38, contact Washington Tower 119.1. Over to Tower 119.1, JetBlue 38. Take care. American 667, leave bomb heading 315. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Leave BAM heading 315. Expect radar vectors for RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 667.
American 667, turn left, heading 315. Vectors for the approach.
Turn left, heading 315, American 667.
American 667, descend, maintain 5,000.
Descend, maintain 5,000, American 667.
American 514, for miles from Darrock, turn left, heading 185. Maintain 2,700 feet until established on the final approach course. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
Turn left, heading 185, 2,700 feet until established. Cleared RNAV Zulu runway 19er, American 514.
Blue Streak 5449. Descend maintain for 1,000 feet.
Descend maintain for 1,000 feet. Blue Streak 5449.
Blue Streak 5449, turn right, heading 030.
Turn right, heading 030. Blue Streak 5449.
American 514, contact Washington Tower 119.1.
Over to Tower 119.1, American 514. Take care. Washington Tower, American 514, RNAV Zulu runway 19er.
American 514, Washington Tower, continue.
Roger, American 514. Runway 19er cleared to land, American 514.
Blue Streak 5449, Washington Tower, continue.
Blue Streak 5449.
Exit right at Alpha, American 514.
Blue Streak 5518, hold position for company traffic.
Hold position, Blue Streak 5518.
American 514, contact ground 121.7.
Please remain seated.
Ground 121.7, American 514.
Southwest 2589, request taxi to the active. Southwest 2589, runway 19er, taxi via Whiskey, Kilo 1 Juliet. Hold short, runway 15.
Because baggage may have moved and could fall out.
Runway 19er via Whiskey, Kilo 1
American
Juliet.
Airlines
Hold
and
short,
our
runway 15, Southwest
for
2589.
flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon on another American Airlines flight.
Welcome to, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be arriving at gate T9 and your baggage claim will be number 10. Baggage claim for American Airlines here and that is across from gate T12 down the escalators. The escalators across from gate T12, down those escalators, carousel number 10. On behalf of all the employees of American Airlines, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. And once again, thank you for flying American Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance.
Envoy 3680, taxi for departure. Envoy 3680, runway 19er, taxi via November, Sierra Juliet. Hold short, runway 19er, Sierra Juliet. Envoy 3680. Envoy 3680, hold position for traffic. Hold position, Envoy 3680. Blue Streak 5449, gate Charlie Tree 1 taxi via Golf 1 Juliet Foxtrot Kilo Golf Kilo 1. Gate Charlie Tree 1 taxi via Golf 1 Juliet Foxtrot Kilo Golf Kilo 1 Blue Streak 5449. Charlie Tree, taxi via Golf 1, Juliet, Foxtrot, Kilo, Golf, Kilo 1, American 667. Envoy 3680, continue taxi. Continue taxi. Continue taxi via Juliet.
Echo 5-1, request pushback and engine start.
1, Southwest 2589.
Envoy 3680, cross runway 15 at Sierra. Continue taxi via Sierra Juliet.
Cross runway 15 at Sierra. Continue taxi via Sierra Juliet, Envoy 3680. Over to Tower 119.1, Envoy 3680, take care.
JetBlue 2854, gate Charlie 28, request pushback and engine start.
JetBlue 2854, Washington ground, pushback approved, face east.
Pushback and engine start approved, face east, JetBlue 2854.
Envoy 3957, request taxi.
Envoy 3957, runway 19er, taxi via Sierra, November, Kilo 1, Juliet, hold short, runway 15.
All right, we'll taxi to runway 19er via Sierra, November, Kilo 1, Juliet. Hold short, runway 15, Envoy 3957.
JetBlue 2854, ready to taxi to the active.
JetBlue 2854, runway 19er, taxi via Kilo 2, Kilo 1, Juliet. Hold short, runway 15.
Runway 19er, taxi via Kilo 2, Kilo 1, Juliet. Hold short, runway 15, JetBlue 2854.
Envoy 3957, cross runway 15 at Juliet. Continue taxi via Juliet.
Cross runway 15 at Juliet. Continue taxi via Juliet, Envoy 3957.
Envoy 3957, contact Washington Tower 119.1.
Over to Tower 119.1, Envoy 3957.
JetBlue 2854, cross runway 15 at Juliet. Continue taxi via Juliet.
Cross runway 15 at Juliet. Continue taxi via Juliet, JetBlue 2854.
JetBlue 2854, contact Washington Tower 119.1. Have a good evening.
Contact Tower 119.1, JetBlue 2854.
Blue Streak 5561 at Gate Echo 48. Request pushback and engine start.
Blue Streak 5561, Washington ground, pushback approved. Face east.
Pushback and engine start approved. Face east. Blue Streak 5561.
Who'd that be? Someone joined.
I think that was Piker.